Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. So in this video, we're going to learn how to configure VLANs using GNS3. So we've been following this guide here, which is training concerning CCNA and CCNP. Okay, so we're going to handle the VLANs today under switching technologies, right? And I have actually drew this diagram here. So in the diagram, I have a layer 2 access switch, which is this one in that case. I have a real Windows 10 PC here, the two of them, and the GNS3 provided with VPCs. Okay, all right. So I just want this side to be VLAN 10, this network. This side to be VLAN 20, and this network. And as you know, guys, that VLANs devices in the same VLANs will always communicate by default. The devices in different VLANs will never communicate by default unless we implement inter-VLAN routing. So in this video, it's all about VLANs configuration. So what I'm going to do is just to start all the devices. Yep. Then we need to go into the switch and start configuring VLANs. So before we start configuring VLANs, we have to specify, we have to configure the VLANs and give them names. Then we need to specify which ports should belong to which VLAN. Okay. All right. So I'm just going here. I'll just go inside here. And first thing I'll do is just to give a host name, config t, and host name to be GTech switch. That's okay. Yeah. So we need to configure how many VLANs? Two VLANs. VLAN 10, name IT, exit. Another one is VLAN 20, name HR. Perfect. Exit. All right. So we have to do show VLAN. So you see we have two VLANs here that we've just created, and under the ports it's blank. There's nothing assigned. So we need to go to each port and assign a VLAN number. All right. So for example, this port, which is let me just say this one, show hidden interfaces. Oops, that's not going to help us. I can see they are mixed up. All right. So I'm just going to put my cursor here, and I'm going to see that that's Ethernet 01, and this one is Ethernet 00. So Ethernet 00 and Ethernet 01 are going to belong to VLAN 10. Okay. All right. So pretty much simple. Sorry, cancel that. Just go to the same switch and say interface range Ethernet 0/0 to 1. The two interfaces. Switch port mode, access, switch port, access, VLAN 10. Good. Exit. Perfect. So this one belongs to VLAN 10. So let's go to this one. That's Ethernet 02 and Ethernet 03. So from interface range, Ethernet 0/2 to 0/3, switch port mode access, then switch port access VLAN 20 now. Okay, exit and do show VLAN. Now if you come here under VLAN 10, we see two interfaces. Under VLAN 20, we see three interfaces. So what I'm going to do is just to save, do right. Okay, do show start. Okay, so you see Ethernet 00 and Ethernet 01, all access ports belong to VLAN 10. As well, Ethernet 02 and 03, all access ports belong to VLAN 20. Perfect. So we are done configuring VLANs. So what we just need to do is to test. Pretty much simple. All right. So let's start with this VPC. Okay, this PC. So I'm just gonna go here and say IP to be 192.168. maybe 10/24. Perfect. All right. So the same goes to this PC here. IP to be 192.168.20.10/24. Perfect. So I don't want to go into these computers to configure IP address because it will consume a lot of time. So for the ease of time, I'm just gonna pull other VPCs. Okay, I'm just gonna pull some VPCs. Okay, so I'm gonna connect them. So for this one, okay, so I'm just going to use this cable here. I'm just gonna use this cable here to connect the second PC. Delete, as well as this one to delete. Okay. All right. So remember, I'd already configured VLAN to those particular interfaces. So it will be actually important to use the same interfaces. Then start. So because we're not going to use the actual PCs for testing purposes, let me just connect them to random ports. Okay, because we're not going to use them. So I'm just want to configure IP address on this computer. Okay. Oh, these are already configured. So let me do for this one. So IP 192.168.10.11/24. So also applies to this one. IP 192.168.20.11/24. Perfect. All right. So let's try to test communication. Like we said, devices in the same VLAN will always communicate, but devices in different VLANs, by default, they will not communicate. So let's try to ping from .10 to .11. Okay. So ping 192.168.10.11. Perfect. See, that's going. But you can just try to ping .20 networks, 20.10. It will not communicate, no gateway. Okay, because it needs interval routing. Okay. All right. So let's try to ping from this one. Let me see. This one is .10. So let's try to ping 192.168.20.11. Yeah, it's going. Thank you, guys. I believe this video has really helped you now to configure VLANs in GNS3, assign ports, VLAN numbers, and test communication in the network. So basically, I'm going to mark that section as done. Okay, so when we meet next, we're going to do VLAN trunking protocol and other topics. Thank you so much, guys, and have a good day. Bye bye.